Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I finally got my new Boxycharm for January 2021. So, y'all know what happened last time. I was a little bit disappointed. Keep on watching and see if I still want to be subscribed. Alright y'all, so I got my box. This time is thick. So it's not like the little one that I got last month in December. So this month I got a much bigger box. So remember I told y'all I put on there I want more skin. Instead of being equal with makeup and skin, I put more skin, less makeup. We talked about it in my last video. Make sure to watch the last video and we'll see what we get on this box. So before I continue, make sure y'all to like down below and subscribe. I'll appreciate y'all so much. And also make sure to follow me on TheBoyMonroe on my Instagram right here. Make sure to follow me, y'all. I appreciate it. Oh, by the way, look at my shirt. My best friend gave it to me, y'all. I love it. Alright, so am I in the middle? Okay. I don't know what I think about my makeup. What do y'all think? I was trying to go for that natural look, but I don't know if it's working. Okay, so I'm excited. Let me got my scissors. Alright, y'all, so let's see what we got. Because last time I was not happy. I'm cutting it. I wasn't as happy with it as y'all saw in my last video. So this one I'm really excited to flip. I'm like cutting it. Okay. Let's see what we got, y'all. Oh my god. Please, Lord. Something bomb. Alright, y'all. Bam. Oh my god. Hold on. Yo, they really protected this one, y'all. So they're trying to protect. Hold on, who's this? Oh. Oh my god. Hold on. Y'all, so this is a good box. I'm excited. Okay. So the first thing I got is the Velvet Vase. Olive You Forever. I don't know what this says. Alright, so let's open it up. Okay. First, let's see how much it costs. This one costs... Oh, it's an eyeshadow palette. It says right here. Does it even say in the... Oh, duh. Eyeshadow palette. This one goes for $34. Let's open it up, y'all. Y'all, the rest of the stuff I'm excited for. Because I see a brand that I really love in this box. So here it is, y'all. See that? Let's open it. Y'all gonna see it too. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay, so this I would actually play with. This is pretty. This is really pretty, y'all. Y'all see it? Some shimmers, some mattes. This is actually a pretty good palette for $34. I've never really heard of the brand. I mean, I kind of heard of it, but I didn't even know they came out with this. I don't even know if it's new, but this is beautiful. Alright. So the next thing I got that I see here is Dragon Duo. That kind of looks like Kourtney Kardashian. I don't know if y'all see it right. Because she usually wears this kind of like bow outfits. I thought it was her for a second when I first opened it. I was like, when did she come out with makeup? Alright, y'all. So this is... what it's like, I don't know if it's spelled O-V-E-N. The company. Queen. Q-V-E-E-N. Queen? I don't know, whatever. Alright, so it's a Dragon Duo. So this, it says here, so it says it's an eyeliner liquid. Let's see how much this goes for. $28. Let's see what's popping. I've never heard of this brand. If y'all heard of this brand, let me know. Oh, there's two. Oh, duh, it says Duo. Y'all, I'm a little slow today. Actually, more than just today. But, you know, oh, wow. This is beautiful. And it feels expensive. Beautiful packaging. I like how it has that dragon. I don't know if it captured it. Maybe I can... Y'all see the dragon kind of logo? I like that. That's pretty cool. So it comes with this. Oh, So it is a pencil liner. Yeah, so this is the pencil liner, which I'll save it for another time. And then this is cool. It has the logo all over it again. You probably won't be able to see it. Let me see. You see all the logo around it with the same logo, the dragon. Ooh. Y'all, that is a really good tip. I'm going to use this in the future. This is really nice. This is actually really nice. Great packaging, and this is only $28, y'all. That's bomb. So here's the fun part, because I told you I wanted more skincare. So they did send me more like skincare usage. Y'all don't understand. I love, love, love pharmacy. If y'all know me, I love pharmacy. Like, I love pharmacy. Daily Green. What is this? Oil-free gel moisturizer. This is perfect because I'm kind of running out of moisturizers. Not really, but I need something a little... I have a lot of exfoliating moisturizers. I need something a little bit more calm, like daily, you know, moisturizers. This is exciting. I love their little design going on. So, okay, so when it's oil-free, usually it's really good for... when it's oil-free, it's especially an oil-free gel base. That is really good for a combination to oily, still dry skin, but best for oily and combo. Just so y'all know. Alright, so this is beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to be doing a next skincare video soon. And I'll use this in the future, and we'll talk about it. I can't even open it. Y'all, look at this. Beautiful packaging. I believe that is glass. It's like a plastic kind of glass feeling, but it's beautiful. This stuff is all natural and clean makeup, y'all. So y'all want something very natural and clean, I recommend this brand. This goes for $38. Yeah, their stuff usually doesn't, it's not that expensive. But it is really great stuff, so I definitely recommend it. And it says that it's lightweight, so if y'all don't like that heavy, rich moisturizers, then I recommend it. That's really good. I'm only a little confused about something here. I'll explain it in a minute. So the next thing I got is Senafina Botanicals. Alright, so this here is a glow lip mask. Let me check this out. Y'all, so this goes for $25. Not bad for a lip mask. That's usually around how the prices are. I've never heard of this brand. But it is cruelty free and vegan. That's what it says right on the back. Y'all, when y'all see that bunny, it is cruelty free, certified. And it says here, boost hydration and glow with this product lip mask formulation. Wow. I wonder if you leave it on. Okay, so this can be used daily, and it's also good if you use a good layer amount for the nighttime. So I'm definitely gonna be trying this because it's been dry out here in Virginia, y'all. So it has been making my lips so dry. So I've been exfoliating more. If y'all don't know how to exfoliate your lips, I got a video for that. Go and watch that one. So this isn't that bad. The next thing I got here, it is Avant. I believe I'm pronouncing that right, Avant. I don't know if y'all can see that. This, I'm sure, is the makeup removal. So this is micellar water, and it does remove makeup. Okay, cool. And it has hyaluronic acid, so that's going to keep your skin nice and hydrating and plump. So this right here goes for, let's see how much this costs. Y'all. Am I reading this right? Okay, this is micellar water makeup removal. This is just a makeup removal. You can buy these at like CVS for like what, $5, $4.50. You can buy even the Sephora brand. Let's just okay. So this is plastic. Let me tell you why. This is plastic. You know, it's decent looking. You know, I mean, it doesn't look cheap. But guess how much it is? Y'all is okay. So this is what I was gonna tell y'all because I was like, this doesn't add up to like usually the $200 that it is each month because I pay $25 for each month. This, y'all, listen. Unless, I don't know if I'm reading this right. $90. Y'all heard that right. This is $90? Wow. It must be a very luxury line. Let me look online. Hold on, I have a computer right here. What in the hell? $90. Okay, so I'm looking at their website. I don't understand why it's $90. We'll talk about this product more. I'll leave it here. We'll talk about more about this product on my skincare video. I'm gonna go really into deep details about this because $90 for makeup removal, y'all. That I have worked in the industry for years. I have never seen a $90 makeup removal. I'm gonna go more into details on my next video. I'll leave it there. Let's add it all up. Girl, $215, y'all. And I paid $25. Okay, so I guess I'm not gonna unsubscribe myself. I'm gonna keep the girl. Cause I got stuff. I finally got the skincare that I asked for. I asked for it last month, but I got it this month, so I'm happy with that. Cause I really was gonna give it one more shot this month only. I'm keeping it, cause girl, y'all sending me $90 makeup removal. Yeah, I'm keeping y'all. I am keeping it. Okay. So, thank y'all for watching. I love y'all so much. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Support a girl. Okay. So, love y'all. See you on the next one. Bye.